Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. This is example 3 in the playlist area of a circle. Alright, if you're seeing this for the first time, please do it to check our previous videos on the area of a circle. If the radius of a circle is 3 meters, find its area. And we're given pi as 3.14. If the radius of a circle is 3 meters, find its area. Alright, pi is given as 3.14. Alright, let's write out our formula. For calculating the area of a circle, we know that the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. Pi times radius squared. Alright, so we have pi to be 3.14 times radius, which is 3 meters, all squared. Okay, you can as well write it as 3 meters times 3 meters, like we have in our previous examples. All right, and here we have 3.14 times 3 squared is 9. That's 3 times 3. That's 9. Then meters times meters will be meters squared. Okay, so now we have 3.14 times 9. 3.14 times 9. So 9 times 4 is 36, right? Write the units and carry the tens. All right, 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. We'll write the units and then carry the tens. 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 plus 1 is 28. Alright, so our final answer is 28.26, and that's in meters squared. Alright, so that is the area of a circle with a radius of 3 meters. The answer is 28.26 meters. Thank you. Bye.